Here are the NCE codes for Helwig 9th edition. These codes are good until December the 31st. And if you have not liked and subscribed and hit the notification, please do so. Please time out to support my channel as you will be supporting others. And happy studying. So these are the codes. What you're going to be doing is you're going to take these codes for each of the subjects, put them into the quiz app that you can upload to your phone as an app, or you can do them on the computer. You can also take a break and come back to them, which is awesome because you can take a break if you need to. But these codes do not expire until the 31st of December. So you have plenty of time to study. So happy studying. And please reach out and let me know if you have any questions or even if you need a tutor or you want a free 45-minute consultation. But either way, happy studying, and I hope these codes help you as much as it has helped so many other people.